Hello friends, today's topic, want 1 crore in 5 years, how much and how to invest. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of the society. In our life, we require money for various purposes which may be short-term and long-term requirements. Short-term requirements could be children education, car purchase, etc. Long-term requirements can be children marriage, house purchase, retirement, etc. Of course, these requirements depend on your age and what is already been achieved. Investment based on when money is required. If the investment tenure is only 1 year, then the instrument of choice could be only bank FD, savings account, liquid funds. 2 to 4 years, bank FD and debt funds. 5 years and above, only if that is the case, stocks and real estate. The reason stock market is not a preferred instrument for a period shorter than 5 years is because sometimes even after 2 or 3 years, your portfolio value may be lesser than the invested amount, or it could have given minor profits in the period. However, usually when 5 years is given for stock market investments, we can expect decent to good returns. Many people have only 5 years type of investment. They may need a big amount of money, such as 1 crore, at the end of 5 years. Such people may be above the age of 40 or 45 years and may have good income, and hence they may be ready to invest a large amount of money every month to achieve their goal of reaching 1 crore. In such cases, when the investment capacity is good, then even the huge amount such as 1 crore can be achieved. So it is never too late to start investing if your monthly savings is high. Another way to make it easy to achieve our target corpus is when we can increase our SEP amount every 5 years by a 5 or 10%. This practice of increasing SEP amount every year is called step-up SEP. It gives an advantage compared to a fixed amount of SEP throughout our lives. We can easily increase our SEP amount every year since our income usually increases over the years, and hence we will be able to save more money. For example, 5,000 per month investment the first year, 5,500 per month in the second year, 6,050 per month in the third year, and so on. Suppose a person wants to create a corpus of 1 crore in just 5 years. He can invest in the following 2 ways. 1. Lump sum investment. 2. Fixed SEP for 5 years. And 3. Step up SEP for 5 years and 10% per annum step up. A. Lump sum investment. Approximate lump sum investment 56 lakhs 80,000. Returns expected is only 12. Number of years 5. Then it becomes 1 crore. Suppose approximate lump sum investment is 49.75 lakhs. Then the returns are expected is 15. That means in stock market, number of years 5. Then it also becomes 1 crore. Suppose you are expecting returns of 18%, which is slightly higher than normal. 43 lakh 71,000 has to be invested to get a corpus of 1 crore in 5 years. Suppose you are going to look after your portfolio very well, monitor it every third month. Then if you are expecting 20% returns, then your investment could come down to 40 lakhs 19,000, and number of years 5, it becomes 1 crore. Now I am going to the second mode, fixed SCP for 5 years. Approximate fixed SCP 1,24,000 per month and returns 12% are expecting, number of years 5, it becomes 1 crore. Approximate fixed SCP 1,15,000 per month and the returns you are expecting is 15%, number of years 5, it becomes 1 crore. Then if your returns expected is 18%, 1,07,000 per month is required to reach a crore in 5 years, and you are expecting 20% returns, then 1,02,000 per month is enough to get a corpus of 1 crore in 5 years. Now the third technique, step up SCP for 5 years and 10% per annum step up. Step up SCP 1,04,000 per month, and next year you are going to increase by 10%, and the percentage returns is going to be 12. Number of years 5, it becomes 1 crore. Suppose the expected returns are 15%, Like in stock markets, normally 97,000 per month is enough in the step-up SEP in 5 years to reach a goal of 1 crore. 90,000 is more than enough for 18% returns, number of years 5, corpus 1 crore. Suppose you are going to look after a portfolio very well, monitor it very well, and you know about stock markets very well, then 86,000 per month step up SCP is enough to reach a corpus of 1 crore in 5 years. So, depending on your capacity and what approach suits you, you can plan to create a 1 crore corpus in just 5 years. However, it's very difficult to achieve a corpus of 1 crore in just 5 years since you need to invest a large amount of money every month. Alternatively, if you start investing early, then you can invest a small amount, still achieve your target. Now, creating 1 crore with small investment. Monthly investment 5,000, returns expected 15, number of years 15, corpus could be 31 lakhs. Suppose you are going to invest every month 5,000 and 10% increase like step up every year and the returns are 15%, number of years 15, you will land up with a corpus of 51 lakhs. 5,000 plus 10% increase every year and the returns are only 15, number of years 19, corpus 1.05 crores, and that is why we always urge people to start as early as possible, and for many of you are young, please start whether you like it or not some kind of an SCP of 10,000 or 5,000 so that you get enough time to create a huge corpus. So if you have sufficient time, then you can invest small amount of money also to achieve 1 crore. If you are able to invest rupees 10,000 per month, step up by 10,000 every year, then you will be able to create the corpus of 1 crore in 15 years. To achieve 12% per annum, even equity mutual funds are sufficient. However, to achieve 15% or more, selecting fundamentally strong stocks and monitoring them regularly will be required. Ideally, having a buffer of around 1 year extra to achieve 1 crore, total 6 years, will make the achievement of the corpus more likely. Irrespective whether you want to create a large corpus in a short period or not, you should do step up SCP so that you can achieve a higher corpus in the same time period of your investment journey. End of the video, here is a question. Do you have any goal for which you need money in the next 5 to 10 years? If yes, type what is the purpose for which you need the money, otherwise type no. In case you are not the member of our channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.